Guys, and today I'm showing you all my slimes. Today I'm showing you all my slimes. So let's get started. First one, this is my feather tail, and it's just turned into a mixture of different slimes. Like if I was to dig deep. See, oh my, this is so adorable. Almost as cute as my doggy, but my doggy is much cuter. But look, it's a heart, symboling how much I love you all. Yes, I love you guys. But yeah, that was from a different one. It was an alien slime. So, just gonna lay this little bad boy over in the background, behind the borax. Can't see the borax yet, he's behind us. Next up, we have this. This is my ocean. It's pretty cool. This is pretty buttery. Butter slime. These were all really bad, and now they're just amazing. So don't throw away your slimes. Just leave them to sit in their bags or containers, and they'll get better. May have to add a little bit of borax, but... Oh yeah, I didn't do that. Sorry, I'm really bad at playing with slime the correct way. I just play with it, that's what I do. Honestly. Next one. This is my Scrooge one. He had a little bit of white, but it's mixed together. Pretty cool. This is really a really good slime. I really like it. Oh, that's Swirl. It's the worst swirl. You know what, guys? Just ignore that. I'm not retaking this. This is like my 15th million time retaking this. So I'm not going. And I was like, oh my dog, oh my gosh, I got it off. I got it off. Good. My brother would murder me if I didn't. Next, this is my orange sunset. I don't even know how many I have. This is my fourth. Put him back there, behind the bag. And now, this is my flap. No, my flop. Yeah, my flap. My florp. Yes, this is my florp. Sorry, I forgot the name. But he's turned out really well. He was like the worst one that I had. Look at him now. I'm filming at my table, so he's just gonna stay right there. Next we have these two, my galaxy slimes. They're from one same slime, but they turned out completely differently. Now, separately. Yeah, I just added a heck ton of glitter. This thing go in the back. Next we have this one, this green apple. This isn't really stretchy, it's just the softness of it. I love this one. Like you take it out. Oh my dog, how did I get this soft? You know that feeling. I just put him over to the side. See? There we go. Better now. All better. This one is just a fail, pretty much. Yeah, I like it because of how pretty it is. but if I had a choice to sell it or keep it, I'd keep it because of how bad it is. It's not even worth more than 50 cents. I used to keep them in a baggie. Now I try to keep them in. Oh gosh. Oh my. Hi, Grin. There we go. Yes, gotcha. There we go. I like to do this. No. No. Can't help that. This one is way too sticky. I tried to save it. Well, I didn't try to save it, y'all. But yeah. Now I'm trying to keep them in containers.